Today, first graders will be telling and writing time to the half hour. We will build on what we learned in the last lesson of telling time to the hour using o'clock. We will again use analog clocks in digital form. This clock is showing 4 o'clock. The long minute hand is straight up on the 12, so there are 0 minutes past the hour, and the short hour hand is directly on the 4, so the hour is 4. As time goes on, the hands move. Let's watch as the time goes past 4 o'clock. The hour hand is moving slowly toward the next hour. As the minute hand moves all the way around the clock from 12 to 12. The hour hand only moves from the hour 4 to the hour 5. Now it is 5 o'clock. Let's watch again. This time we're going to start at 1 o'clock. So this is 1 o'clock. This time I'm going to move the minute hand only halfway around the clock. For the minute hand to move halfway, it starts at the 12 and stops at the 6. The hour hand is now halfway between the hours 1 and 2. To figure out the time, we need to know that there are 60 minutes in the hour, in 1 hour. So half of 60 is 30. This picture might help you understand that. This is the round clock face. If you divide it into 2 parts, we have 2 halves. And if we know that there's 60 minutes in the whole, half of 60 is 30. So each of the halves is 30. It's like 30 plus 30 equals 60. If we know 3 plus 3 equals 6, then we know 30 minutes plus 30 minutes equals 60 minutes. So this clock is showing 1:30 because 30 minutes have gone past 1 o'clock. The next example, this is a tricky one. What time is this? So the minute hand is straight down on the 6. So it has gone from the 12 halfway around the clock. So thinking about half of that clock face. It's gone halfway around the clock, so half of 60 is 30. So the minutes are 30. And if we look at the shorter hour hand, it is between the 12 and the 1. So the hour has not gotten to the 1 yet. It is still in the hour of 12. So this is 12:30. One more practice. This is another tricky one. What time is this? All right, so the minute hand is straight down on the 6. That means that the minute hand has gone halfway around the clock, and half of 60 is 30. So we say 30 minutes when the minute hand is on the 6. And looking at the hour hand, we can't see it right here, but the hour hand is between the 6 and the 7. So we know that as the hands move clockwise around the clock, the hour hand has gone past the 6, but it has not gotten to the 7 yet. So the hour is still 6. So this is 6:30. Now you are going to complete some practice problems at home. And if you have an analog clock at home, you can see if you can catch the minute hand when it is exactly on the hour or halfway around the clock.